One of the few ways that you can customize Revit is to make your own keyboard accelerators. Those are the shortcuts that you can type in on the keyboard to execute menu options, like VP or F8 for example. To make your own, you have to open up the Windows Explorer and go to the C Program Files Autodesk Revit folder, and then go into the Program folder. This is actually where the Revit executable is. It is right here. Just above that, we'll find the keyboard shortcut txt file. This is the file that we can customize. Right next to that, you'll find the log file, which keeps a record of changes that you make to the txt file right here. So the first thing you have to do is change this by going to the Properties, right-click, Properties, and make sure it's not read-only. That way you'll be able to change it. And before you do anything drastic, it's always a good idea to make a copy of this. So I'm going to copy and paste it so I have a copy of it right here for safekeeping. That's my original. Maybe I'll rename that. Okay. This is the one that I can change now. So I'll double click on that, and that opens up the Windows Notepad. You have to use Notepad and not Word, for example, because Notepad doesn't format the text at all. It leaves it as simple text. So it explains how the syntax is organized. It's actually very easy. You can just type in the abbreviation you want, and then menu, colon, and then the menu itself, and then the command. So you can change any of these if you wish. If you're using a function key, you don't put quotes around it. Otherwise you do. You can print this out and see all the shortcuts that Revit is using. There are snap overrides like snap midpoint or snap nearest, etc. And there are alternates for navigation that are quite handy. You can use these or customize and have your own below. So it's really easy to customize your own keyboard accelerators like that.